kufikia mwisho umepiga.
For you to come to your kingship.
Ili uwe kwa ufalme wako.
That is the last battle you fought.
Hiyo ndio vita umepiga.
For people to start seeing you.
Au watu wakasimama kukuona.
I'm saying today.
Wakasema leo.
All businesses in this house.
Biashara zote kwa
they should arise and they will see.
Makatoke kaonekane.
Someone is not getting me.
All
the families that were down.
Wa familia zote wako chini.
They are being uplifted now. Everything that had died. We are putting them today. All the bulls that have died. We are giving them life today.
Yes.
Anyone who wants to put a mad about you.
Kama kuna mtu anazungumza kwako
from today,
siku ya leo,
they are going to look for you.
wanakuwa wanatafuta.
Those who said you cannot,
wale wanaona hawezi,
they are going to look for you.
Wanakutafuta.
Those who said you are finished,
wale wanasema maisha,
they are going to look for you.
Wanakutafuta.
Those who said you cannot manage,
wale wanasema maisha kwa Mungu,
announcing today,
wale wanasema leo,
all the spirit of acceleration,
wanaenda unafuta.
anything that was impossible, someday we are called the God of
Siku ya
impossibility.
leo tunaenda kwa Israeli. Yes.